Today I'll be talking about how I created this black and brown top on this wood dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace for free. Personally, I think this is one of the coolest tops I've ever created. So when I got the dresser, I brought it back home and I started sanding the entire piece with 80 grit sandpaper, moving up to a 120 grit and then a 220 grit sandpaper. It's in need of a new revamp, so that is exactly what we're gonna do here. It's all butchered up, scratches everywhere. I purchased a can of classic black Varathane stain that I got from Home Depot for around 15 bucks. And using that stain, I stained the top of the dresser only. The dry time for this Varathane stain is 2 hours, so I stained it, waited 2 hours, came back and stained it again. And then after that, I waited a full couple of days, took it out on a nice spring day outside, and I started lightly sanding the top of the dresser with 150 grit sandpaper. And because of the way the dresser is made, the top is uneven and has a lot of waves and divots, parts that are not totally flat. This is the way I was able to create this black and brown two-toned funky effect. Everywhere that the sander was touching, that is where the brown stain was going to come into effect. All the black spots are low spots, is what I like to call it. So if you take your hand and rub it across the top of the dresser, all of the black parts are the low spots, and you can feel all of the low spots. So after I was finished with the sanding process, I got a natural wood and black top effect. Took some brown stain and stained right over the entire top of the dresser and then wiped the excess away, creating this black and brown look. And to finish it off, I have this triple thick polyurethane Varathane sealer right here. It's clear and it's thick. It goes right over the stained part of your piece of furniture. So nice. Nice clear gloss finish. I think it looks very good. It's protecting the wood, protecting the stain for years to come. And that is how I created a black and brown effect on this dresser. Let me know what you think about the top of this dresser, and what do you think about this entire dresser right here? Again, I got this dresser from Facebook Marketplace for free, and it's actually a gift for my parents. They have a little cabin in the upper north part of Michigan here. Got these drawer liners from Etsy. I think it looks super cool. This isn't a typical look that I'd go for when I'm refinishing a dresser, but I think it looks so unique and so different. It's kind of ugly, but it's kind of cool. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and check out this video right here.